friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a painting with watercolors. For that I am using watercolor tubes. I have taken some color in my watercolor palette. So take out some color from the tube. Dip your brush in water and take some color. I am taking a black color here. Look, I have taken this some black color on my painting brush and I am going to draw a small house here. Okay, so I have drawn this small house here with my painting brush. Now wash the brush with the water and I am going to take some green color here. Look, I have taken this green color and start making some grass or bushes around the house. With light green color. Again I am going to take some more color and do the same on the other side. I have taken up some dark green color and going to make a tree here in the corner. Okay. And this is our tree. I have taken some light green color to do some more shading. Again some dark green color. Now we'll draw the stem with black color. And we'll make some more leaves of the trees with green color like this. Now complete the tree by making some more branches like this. with black color. And we'll mix some brown color with black color and color the stem like this. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to make a boundary at the back. Take some green color again and complete the bushes around the house. And these are our beautiful bushes that are covering our house again. Now I'm going to color the house. For that I have taken this yellow color and mixed some green color with that and color the roof of the house. Make some light strokes. Do the yellow color here. Draw a door here with black color. And we can make a road out there. And again we'll make some bushes and grass around everywhere around. On the other side also take some dark green color and make the bushes with free hand. Take some light green also and do the shading here. And we'll cover that border also with the same kind of these bushes like this. Now we'll color the ground here with brown color. Look how natural effect it's giving to our scenery. Wow, it's amazingly beautiful, isn't it? So I have colored the ground. Now color the wall of the house with dark pink color. Now we'll make some clouds in the sky with blue color. Nice. Make more. Nice. Now do some coloring in the road with black color. I have taken a very little amount of color and more of a water, as a deep black color wouldn't do the desired work. So take a little color on your brush and complete the coloring. Okay, now I'm going to make some flowers with red and yellow color to make our picture more colorful. And our painting is almost done here. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sims. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.